Nara. Nagkaletse-letse na yung mga dokumento. Paminaw na? Awa.
Was VP Duterte ever Secretary of the Department of Justice?
No, Your Honor, Department of Education.
Nakalagay dito, to recall,
Department of
VP Duterte
Justice.
resigned as the Secretary of the Department of Justice.
That's typo, Your Honor.
That's not a typo. A typo means yung department naging depart. Department of Justice and Department of Education are two different things.
Oh. Di ba? Oh.
This is your copy. This is a receiving copy.
Kung tanaw ninyo ang video kanang picture kanang receive, mura siya og naka-tampered. Ibutangan og mura og 3-01. Kung makita ninyo, kung maklaro ninyo, ano pala yun nun?
So when you receive back your receiving copy, you did not bother checking this portion? It says here, February 11, 2025. In other words, the date of the document is February 11, but it was received on January 30, 2025 by the DOJ. Do you have any explanation for this? That's the
Objection,
question.
Your Honor. Objection.
Di ba? Magbuhat-buhat gani og mga dokumento, mga ebidensya. Ayaw magpapangka. Nawa. Oh, klaro kayo. Itong padayon na. Napa, nawa.
6th day of November 2024, which I believe this is a typo kasi magkakasunod ho ito doon sa mga inisyuan namin na media personality.
Typo na sad.
Attorney Lotok, typo na yung affidavit mo, typo pa yung subpoena?
Hindi po.
What are you looking at? The subpoena or the affidavit?
Dalawa yan eh.
What are you looking at, Attorney Lotok?
Subpoena, Your Honor.
So the subpoena is dated November 6.
Okay.
is-
And the affidavit also is November 6. Dalawang typo carried over.
Hindi ko pa nakita, ma'am, yung affidavit na November.
Your
Ikaw
affidavit
ang
says
pumirma
November
eh.
6.
Pwede patingin ako.
Yung affidavit of investigation mo na binigay, pati
I-check
yung
ko po.
amended, carried over din. Yung first draft na rineject ng DOJ, yung ikalawa, parehong November 6.
Pizza, napa, tanawa.
No joke, nagbilin na ako mama on the bottom portion. Nagbiling na ako mama pag namatay ako. Do you confirm that there is a typographical error in the spelling of ma'am, which was incorrectly spelled as mama?
With all due respect to our police, what's the relevance of typographical
On a
error?
short leash, counsel, show the connection and relevance.
So let me direct your attention to the affidavit of Geran, Agent Angeli Jean Geran, pages 178 to 179 of AOI's Annex G9. Again, let me read from paragraph 5 as well. It says here, can we zoom that portion? No joke, nagbiling na ako mama pag namatay ako. So do you confirm that there's also a typographical error in the spelling of the word ma'am, which
Yeah.
was also incorrectly spelled as mama?
You can ask the one who signed this affidavit, sir.
So you cannot confirm also. One last, pages 199 to 200 of Annex G9 as well. This is now the affidavit of Priya Asuncion. Can I go to paragraph 5 also? Oh, no joke, nagbili na ako mama. Can you also confirm that there's a typographical error in the spelling of ma'am, which was also incorrectly spelled as mama?
Again, you can ask the one who signed the
All right. So
affidavit,
in
sir.
other words, all three affidavits contain the exact typographical error of the word mama, same paragraph number. And do you still maintain that these affidavits were independently executed?
So mauna ng pangutana karon, nga kung kinibang mga dokumento is independently executed. Di ba? Buti pasabot ilang kaugalingon nga testimonya dili kay isa ray gahimo dayon gi-copy paste. So karon nganong ilaning gipakita kini mga typo error sa mga dokumento. Ang pasabot ani possible nga naghimuhimo ra og mga dokumento. Possible nga iliwit naghimo for the investigation or para lang ani nga kaso. Ug isa ni sa importante na dapat walay mga typo errors ug dapat nagkabangga tanan imong mga dokumento kay diya ma-question ang kredibilidad sa imong pag-imbestiga ug sa mga pagkalap nimog mga ebidensya ug sa mga documents.